Guys, be honest here. Have you ever been confused, which path to take and which one to avoid? Because even I am in the same thing, but I want to share a little bit of story which my mentor shared with me, and it has helped me a lot to understand uh, life in a much better way and take the right decision and to take the right path. So hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. Meera. Namaste, आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you a simple story which I believe is very important and has impacted my life a lot. I'm not saying that I am completely into that path right now, but I've taken the step towards taking that path. And I can proudly say it's been an amazing journey so far. So that wisdom was passed on to me by my mentor. So yeah, let's understand. Let's deep dive and see what this story has to share with all of you. So without wasting any time, let's get with the video. So the story is pretty simple. I hope you guys are aware that in China, every moving object is being served on your table to have it as your dinner, breakfast, or lunch, whatever, wherever you want. Right. So I'd like to cook something in China. So what would that be? That would be a frog. And why a frog and why I'm cooking a frog, you will understand once you watch this video till the end. Because I'll be sharing the moral of the story as well. So I hope you guys are aware that frog stays in a river or pond, whatever you can call, with a thin piece of leaf which is round shaped and it stays there. So, but that's not the part of the story. I'm just sharing it to make it things visualize. You can visualize what trying to speak about. So we will be cooking two frogs. So first one is being cooked and it's being kept in the same water in which he used to stay. And the container is being used as a huge one, a big container, so that it feels like he is home and nothing to worry about. The upper part is open, just a small layering which can be easily removed. If a frog tries to jump once upside and successfully jumps, he can come out directly. So what happens is that pot is being cooked in a very minute, I should say, or a very small grill. Like the fire is being lit just like next to nothing lit. So it's that small burning, the small layer is going on. So as 15 minutes pass, Frog used to feel a little bit of warmth. The water is getting warmer, but he thinks that in different season the reality is different. So chances are that the water is getting hotter at the moment. That's okay. It's manageable for him. Second time he sees that the water is getting even more hot. So again he gets comfortable because he's used to that water being warming him. But he didn't realize that he's cooking him so that he gets comfortable with it. The third time he realized that it's getting too hot now. Like now his skins are getting peeled off from his body. He could see scales coming down, flesh of his body. Like he could literally see that. Now he's crying. He's being desperate what to do now. He's been jumping here and there, trying his whole strength and doing whatever he could to come out of that pot. But he fails and successfully dies. That's the first frog. Second frog, again same pot, same water, same fire. When initially what he sees is that after 10-15 minutes being passed, he sees that there's something burning and something hot is happening. So there's something wrong with the water. It's not usual. The summer season or the normal seasonal stuff is not happening. There is something problem. So what he does is he start trying jumping here and there, like right, left, center, wherever he could, and find and trying to leverage and go out of the pot. He tries multiple times, like literally multiple times, and successfully he gets out of the pot and he sets his life free, get his life into order, and live a life of abundance. So guys, do let me know in the comment section that what do you think is the moral of the story. I want you to pause this video now and comment below and think about the story for a minute. So guys, I hope you guys have commented and have pondered over the story. So let me tell you the moral of the story. What's happening? I would like to share the general terms which life offers us, which my mentor shared with me. He shared that in the first frog, what is happening is life is giving us problem like one after another, and it gives you the problem which you can only handle. So step by step, it's just leveling up, and we are getting used to so much that we don't even feel that there is something problem. But after years and decades, we feel that we are trapped. But now we have no escape to it. In the second one, the first problem comes. The person sees that there's something different. This is not supposed to be the way I want. So let me do something different. So he does. He go out. Now guys, it's your choice. You want to be the frog A or frog B. The choice is yours. You can invest your 40 years of your life working for something and you hardly get paid off. Or you can work 5 years for something, start your own business or start something doing which you're passionate about and build the life of your dream. In both cases, struggle is there. In both cases, you will have challenges. You need to decide. You want to suffer for 40 years or you want to suffer for 5 years. The choice is yours.